Cheers to your health, 1 gallon at a time. My name is Amanda. If you're just tuning in, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. We're going to be talking about water weight and bloating and why are some people getting edema. They go to their doctor and they tell the doctor, I'm holding on to water. And then the doctor does what? They give you water pills, so you flush the water. In all reality, it's actually that you're dehydrated, that you're retaining it. So let me explain this for you so you understand. When you drink a half an ounce per pound of body weight per day, that's the minimum requirement, according to the Mayo Clinic, to keep your hydration levels. Now, if you put more in your body, it's great. However, you're going to deplete your sodium. And when you start depleting sodium, your body is going to say, I need the sodium in my blood, because if I don't have it in my blood, I will die. And so it holds on to the water and the salt, and then you get edema. And so then, of course, you're going to the doctor, get the pill to get it off of you. Opposite can happen. Or if you don't drink enough water, let's say it's less than half an ounce per pound of body weight a day, and you're outside, you're sweating, you're exercising, and you don't drink enough water, the same thing will happen. Your body will say, I need to hold on to this water. And for women, it usually stores around the thighs and the tummy. It's not the prettiest thing around. But it's also your ability to flush toxins and waste. So your body's holding on to this water, the toxins and the waste, because it's not able to flush it. And so the water is really going to go in and flush these things out of your system. So then again, you'll get edema and you'll think my body is retaining water. So what are you going to do about it? Let's talk about the solution here. Well, for one, drink good water, which is hydration water. Go to Healthy Hydration, get one of our water systems over there. That way you know you're putting in the clean, filtered water that's going to benefit your body with lots of antioxidants. That's the first step. Second step, make sure you're drinking at least a half an ounce per pound of body weight a day. Now, if you are getting edema, up your water intake. Do 3/4 of an ounce to 1 ounce per pound of body weight. If you go anything over that, go talk to your doctor about it, okay? Because I don't want to get you too much hydration. And also, take in minerals or Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt I like because there's 84 different minerals your body requires. And so when you take in a little salt, your body says, oh, I'm okay now. I'm okay. I can get rid of this water because I have enough salt. But if you increase your water without the salt, then your body's going to start to hold on to that water. And then you're going to be the doctor and you're going to have those pills and you don't want them because there's all kinds of side effects for your kidneys and you don't want those. I'll tell you a quick story real quick. When in my past I was doing a bodybuilding show, my first one I ever did, I didn't know about this water, sodium, carbohydrate, because carbohydrates hold water too. And I did the competition. I was 110 pounds on stage, got off stage. It was my 21st birthday. So of course I celebrated, had a alcohol, and then chocolate cake, of course. And then comes the basket of fries with ketchup and salt and all those things I wasn't having in the past. And then I got a little thirsty. So then I started drinking water and I wasn't not going to the bathroom. And so I started out, I better drink more water. So I was drinking it and drinking it and drinking it. And a little before you know, my whole body started expanding. Like I had the protan on my skin and it started expanding, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And I was actually working at the time and people came in the morning and they would come back to get more product, more supplies in the afternoon. And they would look at me and be like, are you okay? Like what's going on? Because the protan that I had painted myself with for the competition, it was literally looked like I had stretch marks. And I outgrew my pants at work. I outgrew them, had to go home and get new pants because I literally outgrew my pants with all this pitted edema. It was disgusting. I thought my kidneys were failing. I had no idea. So that was scary. So 20 pounds I'd gained in a very short amount of time, and it was devastating for a female for sure, but I thought it was fat. At first I didn't even know. It was scary. So I learned a lot about the sodium potassium balance in your body and what you must have in order to thrive, okay? So make sure you're drinking enough, and make sure if you're drinking 3/4 of an ounce to 1 ounce per pound, you put a little bit of Himalayan salt. That will help your body flush out extra water. Just make sure you get those minerals. Or if you eat a great diet of high fibrous fruits and vegetables with lots of minerals, you probably don't require to have the salt. But Himalayan salt is actually not bad. The doctors are going to tell you, oh, be careful of salt. It's the white table salt you must be careful of. But those minerals that are natural to the earth are absolutely great for you. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn that bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.